The World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. Companies are the cornerstone of the stock market, and people are the most important part of any company. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. The stock market revolves around companies, which in turn are all about the people who work for them. No matter whether a company is small or large, it's the people who make things happen. In a small business, the leader sets the direction and makes key decisions. This is fairly easy to understand. But as companies get bigger, especially those that are publicly traded, meaning their stocks are available for people to buy, things can become more complex. Despite this complexity, the basic idea remains the same: people are essential to a business. In a publicly traded company, the main leaders are usually the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, the Chief Operating Officer, COO, and the Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Think of the CEO as the captain of a ship. This person is responsible for setting the overall direction and is held accountable for the company's success or failure. The COO handles the day-to-day operations, keeping everything running smoothly. Meanwhile, the CFO manages the company's finances, ensuring everything is in order and any financial issues are addressed. Publicly traded companies also have a group called the Board of Directors. The board's job is to protect the interests of the investors and make sure the executives are making smart and responsible choices. Some companies keep the power within the executive team, while others spread it out. For example, Mark Zuckerberg of Meta, formerly Facebook, holds both the CEO and chairman roles, meaning he has significant control over the company. Besides executives like Zuckerberg, companies also have outside directors. These are experts from other fields who can offer advice and perspective. The takeaway is that whether you're talking about a big or small business, the success of a company is ultimately about the people who run it. I hope you found the information about The World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.